Papasa din yung recording, baka wala kayong dyan. Uulit kayo na pag di kayo naka-record. Okay, sige. So, if everyone is already settled, so good morning everyone. Welcome to the final defense and the final group to defend their work for this year. We have the researchers, Mr. Kanaynay, Ms. Manalili, Ms. Molines, Ms. Perez, and Mr. Sambaho. Sambaho, okay? And they are here to present and defend their work entitled ICT Essentials Courseware, Development of an Interactive ICT Essentials Courseware for Enhancing Student Engagement, Accessibility, and Learning Outcomes among first-year BP-led students of PUPC. Napakahabang title, bawasan natin ito mamaya. Using Totobi Author. Okay? So, you will be evaluated on two fronts. The first one will be the prototype. So, after your presentation, please proceed with the demo of your courseware. And after the demo, we will be evaluating your research in terms of attainment of objectives and answering research questions. Okay? So to complete today's defense and pass, you have to get at least 50 points for both a prototype and, of course, the manuscript. So without further ado, good luck. You now have the floor.
For the introduction of our study, in today's digital age, syempre kailangan talagang sumabay ng education sa mabilis na pagbabago ng technology. And by that, napansin namin na marami pa rin schools ang gumagamit ng mga traditional and outdated teaching methods. As a result, bumababa yung student engagement at nagiging less effective ang learning, lalo na sa mga technical subjects tulad ng ICT. And to address this concern, we developed an interactive ICT Essentials courseware using Totobi Author. Instead of plain text lang, meron itong mga kasamang videos, mga images, and interactive quizzes. These features help students stay engaged at mas maging active sila sa kanilang sariling learning process. And overall, yung study namin, naglulook siya on how this courseware can help solve the gap between traditional teaching and what students really need today, making them learn more effective and accessible. Yan. Our study has three main objectives. Number one, to develop an interactive courseware for ICT Essentials incorporated with quizzes, interactive activities, multimedia, and video content using Totobi Author software. Number two, to evaluate the courseware using IEC 25010 standards, specifically in terms of usability, functionality, and performance efficiency. Number three, to evaluate the effectiveness of interactive courseware in improving student engagement, accessibility, and overall learning experience. We aim to answer the following for our research questions. Number one, which group performs better? Group 1 using traditional methods or Group 2 using courseware? Number 2, how effective is interactive courseware in enhancing student engagement, accessibility, and overall learning outcomes? Number 3, what is the overall performance of the software based on the ISO 25010? And for our hypothesis, number 1, Group 2, which uses courseware will perform better than Group in terms of enhancing, improving student engagement, learning outcomes, and overall academic performance. Number 2, interactive courseware will be highly effective in enhancing student engagement, ensuring accessibility, and improving overall learning outcomes compared to traditional methods. Number 3, interactive courseware is highly effective in enhancing student engagement, ensuring accessibility, and improving overall learning outcomes compared to traditional methods.
So for our significance of the study, we have here the 5 illustrate of the image. So we all know that for the first image, so we all know that when lesson lacks of engagement, so students quickly get bored or not interested at all. So this image is opposite of that. So it represents the heart of our research, turning positive listeners into active participants. So we use Totobi Author to make the lessons fun and interactive so that the students actually want to look at the screen and learn rather than just doing it because they have to. So for the next image, as you can see here, so this image represents a bigger picture because our goal is that the BT-led students first year who are taking essential ICT succeed by giving them better tools to master ICT. So now we are actually contributing them to help them for the future development. And for the third illustrates, it is the modern studying of our coursework. It works offline and online, so on different devices. So it also meets students where they are, whether that's late at night in their living room or somewhere with no internet. So it's about making learning convenient and not a burden. So for illustrates, it shows the change from old teaching methods to modern ones. So instead of students just sitting and listening to a lecture, they are actively using technology to work together and learn by doing. So for our last image, it illustrates the teacher, students, and the researchers. So this image shows that our projects benefits everyone, not just the students. So it explains that our project helps everyone. It makes the teacher's job easier, also it makes the students' life better. And it even creates the blueprint for future researchers. So for our limitations and delimitations, we mainly focus on developing and evaluating the interactive coursework for first-year BTED students, ICT, the experimental group, and the IA for the traditional group. So, since we had limited time of deployment and due to many suspensions of classes, we only covers week 11 to 14 topics. So, it includes cybersecurity, ethical, legal issues in ICT, and cloud computing. So, it also includes multimedia and interactive quizzes for activities, also accessible on multiple devices with offline viewing. So also it is limited by score tracking required internet and a 2-month development period. And also it evaluated through quasi experimental design with pretest posters and surveys. Also mobile app exporting is limited to 100 MB file only. So for our research gap, we address the limited studies on how ICT coursework enhance engagement and accessibility and learning outcomes. So prior to our research, it showed effectiveness of ICT tools, but long-term impact and intervention and remain unclear. So for student reports, satisfaction with flexibility and availability, yet effects on involvement and success over time are not well studied. Also, for the institution, need quick solutions, but sustained impact of interactive coursework is easily uncovered. So it presents studies, addresses this by testing ICT essential coursework to improve experience, accessibility, and outcomes. So for our review of related literature, for the existing studies foundation of ICT coursework, we have Mr. Howard, 2023, and Ahmad, 2021. They emphasize the learner-centered design and simple interface to reduce mental load and improve effectiveness. So for our coursework, we are user-friendly design, designed to simple, interactive, and easy to use to prevent overwhelming the students. And development models for ICT coursework, we have Mr. Yolanto, Adaptive, and Gide, 2022. Use the ADDIE model and background design to align learning objectives with outcomes systematically. So for our research, for our coursework systematic structure, we follows a structured process to ensure course objectives directly match student learning outcomes. And lastly, for effectiveness of ICT coursework, we have Diaz et al. 2021 and Yolanto 2020 found that personalization and multimedia animation quizzes significantly boost engagement and memory. So for our coursework, we implemented an interactive multimedia where it includes checkpoints, videos, quizzes to make learning lively and improve retention. And last, for challenges in ICT coursework development, we have Kamarudin, 2022. They identified poor usability, lack of infrastructure, accessibility issues as major barriers to success. So for our course where we have universal accessibility, we apply universal design principles to ensure the coursework is accessible to all learners.
And for the applications, according sa studies na El Sabang and PADA, mas naiintindihan ng students yung mga technical subjects kapag gumagamit sila ng mobile learning at adaptive content. That's why yung courseware namin ay designed to be mobile friendly at kayang mag-adjust sa iba't ibang learning needs ng students. And for the adaptability, based sa research nga nila ni Sullivan and ni Condlino, mas effective ang learning kapag may freedom ang students na mag-aral sa sarili nilang pace because of this. Yung courseware namin ay self-paced, meaning pwedeng mas mabilis or mas mabagal ang progress ng students depende sa kanilang learning style.
Then for the conceptual framework of our study, it followed input, process, output, and outcome model. And the input included the main elements needed for the study. These were the students, specifically the first year BT-led students, who is BT-led ICT students, who serve as the main user of our courseware. Then next is the technology and tools. This include the Kotobi Author and multimedia materials such as videos, interactive checkpoints, images. And next, the content covered topic from the course guide given by the course instructor. And then the learning approach combined both theoretical lessons and practical activities. Then for the process, it involves the actual development of the coursework. Then the lessons were created using the Kotobi Author and were designed to be accessible on different devices and including offline use. Then interactive quizzes were also added to encourage student participation. Then the courseware was also evaluated and its results were compared with traditional teaching methods. For the output of the study was the complete interactive ICT essential courseware, which served as the main product of the research. And last, for the outcome, it focused on more on the effects of using the courseware. This include the enhanced learning outcomes, higher student engagement, and better accessibility to learning materials, and more effective teaching and learning experiences. Next is for the theoretical basis. The theoretical framework was based on several learning theories and technology models that guide the design of the courseware. First is the constructivist learning theory, which explained that the student learned better when they actively participated and learned from the experience. And this theory guided the courseware by including hands-on quizzes and problem-solving tasks. And second, for the cognitive load theory, it emphasizes the need to avoid overwhelming students with too much information. So this theory guided the courseware design by organizing the lessons clearly and focusing on the important ICT concepts. And next, for the technology acceptance model, it highlighted the importance of ease of use and usefulness. So this helped ensure that the courseware was easy to use and encourage students to engage with the learning system. Next is the multimedia learning theory, explained that the students learn better when text, images, videos, and multimedia combined properly. And this guided the use of multimedia materials in explaining the ICT lessons. And fifth is the TPAC framework, which focus on balancing content, teaching strategies, and technology. This theory ensured that the courseware supported effective teaching and meaningful learning. Lastly, the SUM-R theory guide how technology was used in teaching, and the courseware went beyond traditional teaching by improving and transforming learning activities through technology. And that's all for the conceptual and theoretical framework.
Now proceed to the methodology of our research. We utilize quasi-experimental research design wherein the participants were grouped without randomly assigned. So nagkaroon po kami ng two groups, which are the experimental group and control group. Yung experimental group po, sila po yung grupo na gagamit ng interactive courseware. Ang mga naging participants po namin doon is yung first year ICT students. While the control group naman po, sila naman po yung naka-receive ng traditional teaching method. Sila naman po yung mga first year IA students. And this approach allowed us to examine and compare the learning outcomes of both groups, and as well as determine the effectiveness of the interactive courseware in improving the student learning. For the testing procedure, nagkaroon po kami ng 2 phases of the testing procedure. First is the pre-treatment, and next is the post-treatment. So, ang una po namin ginawa is nag-gather po kami ng consent from our participants through the distribution of the consent form. And after we settle with the consent, proceed na po kami for the initial pre-test assessment for both groups. After the pre-test, nag-deploy na po kami ng courseware as for testing. And after the deployment, we gather the data and as well gain the feedback. And that feedback gave us the way to courseware refinement. And this feedback helps us to identify those areas for improvement. So, and also, para makita po yung mga possible issues or problem na pwede po makahinder sa pag-deploy po ng aming courseware. And after the courseware refinement, doon na po kami nagkaroon ng actual pre-test assessment for both groups. Doon po sa paggawa ng pre-test and post-test, nag-validate po kami through the use of the TOS, Table of Specification, which helps us to validate the contents of the assessment for both groups po, control and experimental. And after that, doon na po namin dineploy yung improved courseware based on the feedback from the experimental group. After that, the post-treatment procedure, dito lang po papasok yung mga evaluation. The post-test assessment, online student engagement, usability evaluation method, and ISO 25010 survey through Google Forms. And after the evaluation, lastly, we gather the data and analyze. So what are the evaluation methods or instruments used in our research? So these instruments are actually based on our research questions, which exactly define what our study aims to find out. And these tools helps us to gather the data, what we needed, and as well as to know what we needed, and helps us to ensure that all data collected are valid, focused, and useful for achieving the objectives of the study. So first is the pre-test and post-test assessment na nakalign po sa aming research question number 1 to know which group performed better. Dito po, compare po namin yung gain scores ng mga participants. The usability evaluation method and online student engagement. Ito naman po yung evaluation na ginamit namin based on the previous researchers from Ruther MC and Zaharas P and Pauline Renacu, and these were validated and used by them. And lastly is the ISO 25010. Ito naman po yung national standardized evaluation for the evaluation of the quality of the software or system.
So, for the courseware demonstration, we will show you po yung step-by-step demo kung paano po ma-access yung courseware po. So, ang una pong, meron po kaming folder na ibibigay po. Tapos doon po, included na po lahat ng pwedeng i-download. Windows, para po sa Windows, sa Mac, and sa mobile apps po. Bali po kapag, for example po ngayon, ang i-demo po namin is yung Windows since ang gamit po namin laptop is yung Windows. So pagka-download po, ang file po is zip file. So i-extract po muna natin siya. Yan po, after ma-extract, may dalawang way po tayo para ma-access yung app. Pwede po sa loob nung file, ng na-extracted pong file. At, yan po. Or, pwede din pong i-search siya. Then, when you click the application po, ang unang lalabas po is yung loading page po, pero hindi ko siya nababas.
Explain mo muna yung sa akin.
Huwag mo ito sa po.
Okay.
Click mo ulit siya. Ayan po yung loading page. Then, ang unang bungad po is yung table of content kung saan po nakalagay yung mga topics from prelims to finals examination. Then, sa left side po, makikita natin lahat ng listed pong chapters available sa courseware. Then, every chapters po, mayroong videos.
Nag-focus.
Hindi naka-as.
Ipis.
Sa malware.
Wala.
Saksak mo yung sound. Tingnan mo dito.
Wala.
Tapos lipat mo yung sound.
Sa Epson.
Ayun.
Yung Epson. Epson.
Hindi. Dapat sa isang.
Yung ano.
Ayun.
Click niya yung volume.
Ito po.
Ito lang may tunog.
Wala. Wala. Pero may tunog.
Saan? Sa laptop?
Opo, nandito.
Dilipat mo yung sound sa laptop. Saksak yung...
Wala.
Wala talaga. Nakasaksak yung speaker.
Ang mga instructions.
Lipat mo dun sa kabila. Ang hirap na mouse. Lemon. Wala. Dito. 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 Sa isa. Ayaw pa ba? Sa laptop. Nandun ka na. Tuloy ka na.
Saan ba yan? Hindi pa siya sa
Epson.
Epson.
Sa Epson.
Inapat eh.
Epson na ba yun?
Epson na siya eh.
Maganda nga kayo na ibang baka sa mag-play kayo ng ibang audio. Spotify or YouTube.
Wait, ito.
Wala kayong internet, no?
Wala din.
Ano kayo sa ano? Sa
May music.
wifi natin.
Ayan.
Wala eh.
Wala din.
Connect ka na lang daw sa wifi.
Hindi, patulogin mo na ang board.
Nakakalig ka na dito. Ang hirap na yun.
Ano kaya ako just pinapatutunan ka.
Ano pag wala sa audio? Ano yun?
Saan yung sunod? Pero mag-test natin. Diba?
It's me, Friday.
Yung balis mo.
Ayan, kapot ko. Wala talaga.
Wala sound.
Ayan, meron ko eh.
Lipat mo sa kabila. Lipat mo sa kabila.
Meron ko sa Epson.
Friend mo siya. Friend mo yung
So high.
Yung sa, ano po, sa mobile po na magkano naman po siya.
Goodwill Community Foundation, creating opportunities for better life. Most features in Microsoft Office, including Excel, are geared towards saving and sharing files online. This is done with OneDrive, which is an online
Then every chapters din po mayroong checkpoints. Pwede yung checkpoint po, may iba't ibang formats, pwedeng true or false, multiple choice, drag and drop,
You can quickly close a program using the keyboard shortcut Alt plus F4.
Hindi alam mo.
Really?
I-close mo muna ulit. I-close niyo ulit.
Tapos the prerequisite.
Ngayon lang hindi gumana.
Siyempre, tinitesting tayo.
Ikaw lang.
Yung ano lang yung pinapakulos ko ay yung course.
First
Course
one.
wala.
Downloads.
Just open mo ulit.
Downloads.
Kanino ba computer yan? Kasi yung may-ari ng computer siya yung pagbukas mo.
Ano yung pinuha mo? Ito ba?
Last na naman siya. Last.
Very last.
Patay na, antok.
Sasayaw ko si Katrina.
Wala.
Sa tatanong ka kasi nila yun. Hindi siya. Hindi ko pinagkakagyan sa
Malware.
Dahil nila daw Sir RJ.
20K lang.
Next one.
Mag-order po si Sir RJ ng Starbucks.
Go.
Akin ang tulong mo.
Then sa courseware din po pwedeng mag-add ng notes, highlights, and use Google Lookup. Pero wala pong internet.
Alam mo nakanik na kayo
Ano
sa
sa one?
Ay, ito.
Ay, computer. Notes na.
Ano yun? I-highlight niyo yung mga pictures ng ano ah.
Ayan, pictures.
Okay. Wala. Ano sa laptop? Hindi.
Nag-exit.
Ano nangyari sa laptop ko?
Tatanong-tanong na kayo. Ano?
Josh,
Ito na, hindi ka pa kinakain ito.
Ala. Hindi ka ready.
Ano, sinasampo ko sa ba?
Ano drop-down niya?
At si Da.
yung sa computer ang dati ginagamit ko yung computer.
Sa akin po na.
Nasaan?
Sobrang full na po. Hindi na po makapag-export. Ano ba? Ayan.
Oo, yung mga pinagpipipindot ko na yun
Ay.
yung screen ko.
Yan po yung nag-add po siya. Pwede po kayo mag-add ng notes and highlight ng mga kunwari po, key points or mga gusto niyo pong i-highlight. Then, sa baba po meron din pong media, notebook, search, and settings po. Sa notebooks po, doon niyo po makikita lahat ng mga notes niyo po, bookmarks, tsaka lahat po ng highlights po. Then, sa search bar po, pwede niyo po yung mag-search kayo ng specific keywords na gusto niyo pong hanapin. Tapos may option din po kayo na kung ima-match po yung kung sa whole book po kayo mag-search or sa specific chapters lang po. Then match yung whole words or match case din po. Yan po.
Pagka-click yan.
Pupunta po siya dun sa... Then sa settings po,
Isang word lang yung ano niya, yung search na. O pwede
pwede
din.
din po.
Match case po.
Kunyari, dalawang word yung search mo.
Sige.
Computer programming.
Computer programming.
Baka madami. Dapat may NY.
Wala po.
Pwede kayo mag-boolean doon. Pwede mag-search ng boolean. Kunyari, computer and programming. Sagyan mo na rotation. So single ano lang siya. Pero programming, yung mga programming.
Parang wala. Computer software ka na.
PowerPoint presentation. PowerPoint presentation. Kasi talaga yun.
Wala bang word dyan?
Meron.
Ayun, meron.
Kasama ko sa course.
Meron.
Pero sa lang lumabas.
Then,
Dalawa.
Dalawa.
next po is yung sa settings. Dun po yung, pwede niyo po ma-adjust yung style and appearance of the courseware po based sa inyong preference po. Then,
Yung settings niya kasama sa kutubi.
Opo.
Kaya na ganun na.
Sa loob po ng
Nasa loob.
Pero kailangan mo siyang i-ano pa.
I-edit mo pa. Explore.
So then, pag gumawa ka ng courseware yung sa kutubi, hindi siya automatic. Ang may settings na ano.
Ano yung mga features na gusto
O kasama na.
Ikaw, piliin mo. Pero hindi siya ano yan. Ano mo sa una, wala naman.
Tama na.
Kailangan mo pa siyang explore. Hindi siya obvious na.
Then, yung ibang topics po merong activities na nakalagay sa dulo. Yan, yung instructions po. Then, kapag ipapasa na po, i-click lang po nila itong right. Ay, yung back sa right. Then, activities. Opening new window. Opening new window. Tapos magsa-sign in lang po sila dun sa
Sige, tuloy nyo lang.
DSFA.
GSFA.
Ikaw.
Hinga ka muna. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out.
Kasi sir,
Condition.
Yan po, yan po yung mga example ng activity na pinasa po ng mga students. Then, yun lang po yung para sa
nasa tayo ngayon? Nasa student na tayo, no?
apo.
Nasa ano tayo? Meron pa kayo sa student? May mga pictures pa kayo na patakita?
Meron po sa mobile app, paano po pag-access naman po sa mobile
Pero
app.
save lang na makikita, no?
Apo,
Mas may, saan na download yung mga ano niya, EPK?
meron po kaming folder po. Nandun na po lahat.
Hindi, ibig sabihin, hindi,
Meron pa po.
may pupuntahan pa kami parang
Ayun
naka-upload siya
sa
sa ano,
Photobi Author po.
Reader niya.
Photobi reader.
Photobi dito yung,
Ay, mobile app na po siya.
Mobile app na po.
Tapos download.
Yun yung mobile app. Kasi hindi ba, e-book.
mhm.
Sa ebook po kasi parang pag nirestart po yung ano, nabubura po lahat.
Kasi yun din.
Yung pag naka-
Apo. Yun.
Mhm.
Next ka.
Okay, tapos, yan yung estudyante, no? Pag sa ano, sa teacher naman,
Ano lang po siya yung pakita na. Ito yung sasagot. Ay, sige.
kasi yung ibang courseware na ano, sa dati, ang nila, nasa nila is one section lang. Ganun din ba kayo?
Paano once?
Kunyari, dalawa yung teacher. Ay, di ba courseware niyo for ICT, di ba? ICT essential. Paano kung dalawa yung teacher na tuturo ng ICT essential?
Isa lang din po kasi yung ano po, yung account po, isa lang na yung pwede maka-access po.
Pwede ka mag-create ng multiple account ng teacher.
Hindi po.
Kasi lang po yung
Sa
kasama.
mismong Kotobi
Sa
office.
mismong Photobi Author po.
Limited.
Parang isang account lang po yung pwede mong gamitin.
Unless mag-avail po ng mas premium pa po na account.
Mas mahal po.
Multiple accounts.
Opo.
Paano yung submission ng mga output ni students kay teacher?
Ay, nag-google.
Sa Google Drive lang din.
Opo. Kasi hindi rin po kaya na makuha ng
Kotobi.
Photobi. Parang ano po yun.
Kayo ng account doon sa teacher. Kaya ng account siya mag-ano. Kaya ng GSLP siya kung pupunta.
Sa
For now,
Oh,
sa
sa
kanila.
For now, sa
Kung sinimik kami.
Pero
Kung sino po yung sa teacher.
Kung sino yung
Nagtuturo.
tuturo.
Yung mga drives kasi parang ginawa nila ng paraan. Kasi na naglalagay ng mga link, ganun. Kasi dahil yung Kotobi, limitado yung kanyang storage capacity. Ganun. Kaya ginawa nila ng paraan na kaya yung kanilang mga ina-access nila ng mga drives. Ano yung link?
Pero, maglagi ka sa as faculty.
hindi po siya mag-login. Parang may file po kapag hindi siya.
Kasi kung, kunyari, yung unang teacher si Sir RJ, yan na wala si Sir RJ, may ibang natuturo.
Ibibigay niyo po yung account po na
Makakalitan niya yung email.
hindi po.
Ayun.
Kasi yun po yung
Kung ano lang po yung
binayaran
binayaran
po.
na account.
Yung account.
Pero kung pwede i-reverse na transfer ng ano, di ba?
Hindi
Yeah,
po
yun
na.
Hindi po namin
Hindi nyo pa na, syempre, hindi nyo pa na.
Opo.
Pero hindi ko pwede yung account.
So, iba yung installer na teacher, iba yung installer na...
Opo. Parang yung sa teacher po, sila po yung nag-export lang po.
na mismong file.
Pagka-export, tsaka
Yes,
i-give ulit kay student.
Opo.
Magiging app po or web app.
Eventually, yes. Ganyan yung gagawin pa naman
Opo.
natin sa workshop natin. Tinulong sila sa atin.
Procedure.
Ang trabaho ng teacher is yung gumawa mismo ng module. Tapos ibigay nila sa student. Magsasagot siya ng mag-isa. Magsasagot ng hiwalay.
Hindi, okay lang naman nasa Google Doc, pero sana nga pwede nga.
One is to one lang talaga, sir. So, kailangan natin, kung may 5 teacher, 2 teacher, 5 course per the same content. Kasi 1 is to 1.
Kasi ICT Essentials, to ilang teacher nagtuturo sa mga.
Depende, dalawa. Di ba may dalawa?
Hindi
Di ba
na
may...
Halimbawa ngayon, sir, dalawa kami nagtuturo, halimbawa.
Paano yung gagawin nyo?
Katulad niya, dalawang sections yung pinagamitan mo, di ba?
Opo. Magkaano po sila, magka-merge po yung, kasi isang prof lang din po kay Ma'am,
Ayos na lang.
kay Ma'am Ambion po.
Pero halimbawa magkahiwalay kasi ICTIA merge pero ginamit din siya dun sa PhD o kaya dun sa merge ng CP siya ka electrical. Paano yung magiging setup ng courseware niya? Mag-isa lang ba siya na ganyan na ibibigay niya kay teacher tapos sila na bahala o gagawa kayo ng tatlong ganyan na magkakahiwalay? Paano yung dissemination magkakahiwalay?
Tatlong license yung pagod nila.
Isi-share kasi.
License.
Share naman yung iba yung...
Di ba pwede naman yun na mag-generate lang kayo ng another?
Apo, pwede.
Pwede yun para
Expert.
magkakaiba yung...
I-align po dun
Basic
Sa
picture,
course
no?
with...
Kasi yun yun sa
Kasi kayo na
Ibig sabihin, kahit ilang teachers mo pwede, yung paggagawa kasi yun yung sabay-sabay, isa lang talaga. Pero kung mag-expert na sila ng another, parang may sariling needs, ganito.
Parang copy ito. Parang
May
yung
copy mo.
May
Hindi sa meron kang ano.
May ka-copy.
May ka-copy.
Opo.
Pwede yun, ganun.
Pwede yun.
Tapos kaya lang, yung submission link, yun lang yung
May
modify nyo.
Ako papalitan
Para
ko
ibang
every
ano ng
Kaya
teacher.
email naman
Di
din
ba
sa'yo.
access na
Yes po.
another batch yung susunod na batch na. Yun yung sabi.
Actually, sa teacher naman, madali siyang gamitin. Kahit hindi computer major.
Pero yung dashboard ba ng teacher, makikita niyo yung mga estudyante? Kasi iba lang siya.
Iba talaga siya, sir.
Individual.
Ano lang talaga siya, pang course lang talaga siya. Hindi siya talaga
Hindi siya
siya.
parang hindi siya LMS.
Naka-add naman po sa limitation na hindi po siya mag-act po as management.
Next ko.
Okay.
And yun lang po yung sa mobile app. Pwede po ma-access through link or dun po same sa folder na yung kanina po.
Pwede nyo rin gawin na gawa na kami ng QR code. Tapos diretso siya doon sa ano.
Opo, so pwede
Para
ba
hindi, kasi mahaba kasi yung
Opo.
mahaba kasi yung
Link po. Then,
Yung ano nang papag-evaluate.
once po na link yun, automatic po sa phone po may lalabas na download. Then, yun po, automatic na po siyang lalabas sa device.
Same
Then,
din po yung
then same na lang din po yung
Sino nag-generate ng EPP?
yung teacher po. Kami po yung nag-generate.
Doon sa Miss, sa Katobe,
author po. Yes
Author.
po, sir.
kami natapos ka nang gumawa ng ano.
I-export po.
Export na.
Apo.
Okay.
Pwede niyo ba pakita para mas
Ito po, sir. Hindi yun.
Hindi, yung gagawa niyo daw, Adobe Author,
Mag-
mag-export na kayo para makita nila kung paano papalitan yung link. Para makita lang nila sila.
Dapat kasi marunong din ang gawin yung pagbibigay ng teacher.
Ano yan? Manual. May user's manual na ba kayo?
Wala po.
Nila kasama yan pag pinasa niyo.
Kasi may readme kayo. May readme kayo.
Readme.
Readme file.
Ay, oo. Meron dapat. Ano?
Ano talagang meron?
Ang dapat yung
Meron
kasama
siya
siya.
kahit ano.
Parang extension.
Pero user's manual yan pareho.
User manual.
Hindi kayo ano
pang
din.
illustration.
Hindi po natin ma-export. Kasi sa sabihin, pero
Nasa niyo ginawa niyo yun? Yung mismo. Nandyan pa, hindi pa export.
Bali po yung mismong account po kasi, hindi po siya...
Nandito po yun, pero sa tingin ko po ngayon hindi po siya may export kasi nasa account ko po
Hindi
yun.
yan yung gamit niya.
Opo, tapos hindi na po
Na-device po.
talaga kayang mag-export.
Or
Kasi
yung
wala,
laptop mo.
0 bytes na po talaga yung ano.
Hindi lang.
mamamatay na po.
Hindi pala ipapakita kayo naman kung malong pa kayo dyan. Hindi naman pala.
Pero nandito po yung file na Listen mo.
Hindi nga natin mga O-fan. O-fan. O-fan.
Ay, bakit ano? Bakit ganyan, pero yung makikipapakita naman natin.
Paano yung guide? Ano yung ginawa nila? Gano'n nila
Ano yung dapat na ililipat dapat.
Pwede mo transfer. Pwede mo transfer sa
Opo, dapat i-ano nila kasi
Na,
walang
tinry ko po yun, pero hindi po nag-work.
So kasama yung laptop niya po na lang pala.
Yun po yung parang ilang...
Ibibigay niyo na rin yung laptop sa kanila.
Ito-donate na siya.
yeah, paano kasi siya magagamit kung hindi nyo malilipat?
Yun po yung ina-explore ko nung ilang buwan. Tinry ko naman sa...
Hindi, ibig sabihin hindi kayo nag-contact sa support na
Hindi po po.
O yun yun ang dapat. Hindi nyo kasi alam na natin na isang device lang. Ang kailangan natin, hindi nyo magawa,
Yung ownership
mapatransfer siya.
Yung ownership. Kasi kapag hindi nyo na paano, hindi babalik din kami sa simula. Paano natin
Yung requirement nyo din sa research, yung transfer.
yung transfer ownership, dapat nasabi.
Hindi ka pa naman na.
Pag yung mga note, yung features na nalagay ko. Wala yung
Ito po yung nakikita nung sa
Teachers.
Yan yung makikita sa teacher side.
Tapos ito po yung mga possible na pwedeng export.
Ano ginawa niyo? Ipa bang ginawa niyo?
Desktop app po, tsaka mobile app.
Yan yung mobile app.
Apo.
Tapos, pwede na ano, iOS.
Yun po yung sa iOS ko. May additional na naman pong bayad.
Gabi yun.
Magkano bilhin nyo dyan sa ano?
18.
Pag napili niyo yung ano, Android app niya sa ano, kasi mas marami gumagamit na
Opo, tsaka yun po yung included po dun sa premium account.
Free po. Kahit unlimited extra.
nakakasama talaga.
Ay, hindi mo alam nga po yung pwede.
Yung sa desktop ko pala
Hindi man export.
Opo, sa mobile apps po. Tapos, each pong app, 100 MB lang po.
Ibig sabihin, may kung beses na pwede mag-update na sa ano.
Opo.
Sa content mo. Yung subscription, 1 year lang.
Ay, lifetime po. Pero,
Lifetime pero yung
Mag-a-avail.
update ang babayad ka.
tapos mag-a-avail po ng ganun, may additional
Pero
bayad.
lifetime na yung katobi na.
Opo, yung account.
So yun yung ano nyo, dapat yung yung sa tech support ng katobi, pag-transfer ng
Opo.
Kasi pa pwede naman yung parang kung nasira na yung device.
Opo.
Diba? Pa pwede yung hindi sa
You consult the Sir Arnold, pa-create kayo ng account. ICT Essentials at
Ayun po.
at GSLE.ph. Tapos lahat ng accounts nyo may transfer. Google Drive. So, magkakaroon ng separate GSLE ito. Okay? Dedicated for that ano. Okay, lahat ng accounts. So,
Sa kanila na yun.
Yung
kasi
current po.
hindi naman pwedeng i-transfer yung personal
Apo.
account niyo. Kung GSFP naman yung ginamit niyo, lulusawin niyo yung
Kanino
pag-graduate.
ba ako?
Yung current po na ginawa po namin nung ano. Yung gumawa tayo ng Gmail ng
For the
Pero
activities.
dito yung ano.
Account.
Pero
Dapat consolidated yun sa isang. Yun yung assignment.
Okay.
Anyway, sige. In the interest of time, let's now proceed to the... Nagkatanong pa kayo sa prototype?
Wala na.
Hindi na ako magkaroon. I have seen Kotobi for third time already. So,
Pero, doon naman sa tatlong kotobi, sila yung pinaka maganda yung features.
Tsaka clear.
hindi na natin natanong sa kung ba yung transfer din ng ownership.
Hindi, hindi ka rin na.
Ito Ito na naman kasi ito kasi maganda kasi. Okay, let's go back to the research objectives. So, may question din. Doon natin sa mga
Yung isa yung
Ay, hindi.
una.
RQ.
Yung pangalawa, yung
Keep.
So, which group perform better? Group 1, parang palita, sorry. Yung tanong namin. Which group perform better? Tapos group 1 using traditional yung group. Paraphrase yung
Parang verbatim sa klase.
para multiple choice. One may group.
Sa issue performs better.
So pwede mo namang itanong, kasi alam mo naman yung group 1, ano yung control group,
Apo, sir.
yung group 2,
Experimental group po namin.
so pwede mo namang itanong yung tanong na yan without mentioning the groups. Kunyari, ano bang gusto mong malaman? Mas magaling. Ano ang mataas ang performance?
Yes po, sir.
So pwede mo na naman itanong, does the use of the ICT software affects performance in ICT essentials? It's essentially the same question. Kasi para masagot mo yun, kailangan mo ng group 1, tsaka kailangan mo ng group 2. Lagi mo na kailangan mention yung group 1 specific position. Gusto mo lang malaman, does Kotobi author group performance in ICT essentials? So to answer that, your method is, you divided that class into groups. Group 1 being the control group, group 2 being the experimental group. And you check for significant difference. Diba? Between the pre-test and
Post-test.
post-test. So pati yun ang data nito.
Supplemental na yun, hindi na talaga. So, di na pa dyan.
Parang gano'n. Patay natin.
Patay na yung isa.
Ayun po. So since our first research question was about which group performs better po, the experimental or the control group, we did an independent sample t test on the gain scores, which is the post-test minus the pre-test po. Showed in the ICT group a higher mean gain of 6.79 compared to the 4.79 for the group 1
Ano
or the
yung
traditional.
6.79 tsaka 4.79?
Sa
Transmuted pa yan o raw score yan?
ano po sir?
Ano
Raw
ba yung
score
score
po.
nila sa pre-test? Ano
Raw
yung
score.
pre-test?
Pre-test
Raw
po yung
score?
over 50.
Ano nga yan? Raw score?
Opo sir.
Post-test?
Raw score din.
Ilang items yung raw score?
50 items po.
Ha?
50 items.
Yung post-test?
50 items.
So di namin naiintindihan yung 6 tsaka 4.
Bakit nga rin yung 6.7?
Kasi dapat transmuted na yun. Kunyari, kami, we will never know kung ilan yung items ng exam ninyo. Hindi naman binanggit eh. Diba? Sa data presentation, hindi namin yan malalaman. So, hindi ko malalaman kung anong silbi ng 5 sa, anong pinakaiba ng 5 points sa 3 points. So, hindi ko alam ang total number of items. So, para matanggal mo na yung problema na yun, transmuted dapat lagi pag grade, pag performance.
Okay.
So, pag sinabi natin pre-test, 185 versus post-test, 95, alam natin, out of 100 yun. Di ba? So, ibig sabihin, pag sinabi natin means difference of 10, so 10 points, 10% yun, or 10 out of a scale of 100. Ganun lang kasimple yun. Pero yung pagbibigay ng number na 1, 3, 4, may difference yung 4, 5, hindi namin ma-appreciate kasi malay namin kung ang test nyo 1 to 5 lang. O test nyo 1 to 1,000 pala yan. Kaya walang silbi yung mean difference na 4. Saka sa kabila, mean difference na 3. Kasi 1 to 1,000 pala yung test di ba? Wala na silbi yung 4 doon. So you always whenever you're comparing for scores or grades, always transmute. Okay? So transmuted. So, kaya minsan, akala mo may significant difference kasi pero pag na-transmute, wala na pala. Alright? So ito, mas mataas yung difference nila kung 150 yung exam, 150 parehas. Ilan? 6 points ang difference. So grade point ang pinag-uusapan natin yan, times 2 yan, diba? 0 to 100, di ba? So may difference ba yan? Ano meron?
Ano po, negative 2 po yung sa mean difference nila. Nung sa,
Anong negative 2? What does that mean?
higher po yung naging mean po ng ICT or yung sa gumamit po ng courseware compared po dun sa
Mas na?
IA po na
Okay, yung
traditional.
gumagamit ng negative 2 na difference. Kasi yung negative connotes decrease. So, mali lang yung pagkakasubtract ninyo. So, pagbalik ka rin nito. Kasi pag nagbabanggit kayo ng mean difference of negative, that means, ay, bumaba. Diba? Kasi sabihin ng negative, sabihin, mataas yung dati. Mas mataas yung control group. Diba? So, don't use negative as your mean difference. Pagbalik ka rin yung sinubtract ninyo. Sinubtract, di ba yung experimental minus, experimental minus,
Yung ano po, for control minus ano po, experiment.
kaya may negative. Sige. So anyway, anong mean difference ng dalawang group?
2 po.
O ano, statistically significant ba yun?
Yes po, sir.
Anong ginamit yung t-test? Bakit t-test?
Ano po?
Nag-normality test ba kayo? Normally distributed ba yung data?
Yung participants po namin, sir, lagpas po sa 30 po yung.
Okay, assume normality.
Yes po.
Ilan lahat? Magkaibang section ba yan?
Yes po, sir.
Okay, so sige. So assume normality kasi more than 30. Okay, good. So, mean difference is
2.
tapos significant, ano p-value?
Less than 0.05.
Nasaan?
Nasa ng manuscript po, sir.
Diba dapat nakapa-format yung pag nire-report kahit sa PowerPoint? Napa-format nyo para nakakita namin mean, standard deviation, p-value, 95% confidence interval. Diba? Kaya nga tayo, kaya ko nga kayo tinuruan ng napa-format para pag-reporting yung result. Ganun. Diba?
Yes, sir.
So report niyo yan, kahit sa manuscript, report that in the napa-format. Okay? Sige, next. So anong significance? 0.00 something. So that means there is a significant difference between,
The IC.
and since the mean score of the experimental is higher, then we conclude your courseware significantly improved.
Yes po. Accept the
Sige,
hypothesis.
so gano'n na naman kasimple yun. Sige. Next, ano naman itong ANCOVA? Ba't kayo nag-ANCOVA? Anong covariate nyo dyan?
Covariate po namin, sir. Ginawa po namin yung pre-test po para po magkaroon po ng level po. Kasi po baka isipin po na since ang naging groupings po namin is ICT and IE, baka po isipin na bias po na since ICT sila, mas magaling sila sa ICT Essential compared sa IE. Kaya po kami gumamit po ng ANCOVA para po hindi
Anong covariate nyo ulit?
pre-test po, sir.
Ano ba yung measure nyo dun? Ano ba yung kino-compare nyo? Diba pre-test minus post-test na yun?
Opo, sir.
Diba mean difference na yun? So redundant na yung paggamit mo ng pre-test as your covariate. Kasi kung magko-covariate ka, dapat hindi siya part ng independent variable. Nag-mean difference kami. So perhaps, you would like to check, siguro pwede mong covariate yan. Year 11, parehas ba yung first year?
Yes po, sir.
Perhaps, ang mga covariate kasi dapat interval data. Okay? So, pwede age. Pinalang ba yung edad? So, wala namang relationship. Pero pretest is not a good covariate kasi mag-redundant. Redundant. Part na yun ng ID. There's no need to do an ANCOVA. What should have been done is para matanggal yung effect ng major, dapat at the latter half, pilit-palit nyo yun.
Na ICT. IA naman po yung experiment.
Yes. So in other words, na-eliminate mo yung major being effect of. Diba? Pero wala na tayong time dun eh. So, hindi mo na yun malalaman. So, question remains, probably, because they are ICT, so sa conclusion ninyo, nag-integral kayo. Probably, kasi ginawa niyong compounding. So, ang mangyayari, compounding variable yun. Probably may effect yun, pero hindi mo na malalaman. Kasi hindi mo naman tinest. So you put the major ba tawag ba? Major ba yan?
Yung sa
As a compounding variable.
Akala mo madali mo.
Okay? Ngayon, wala na simple ang TOEFL. There's nothing to learn sa
Hanggang sa baba to.
Kami nagpakape.
O, paano daw kape?
Palipan.
Pwede na yan, no? Pwede na.
Coffee is the coffee. I'll take this anyway. Okay.
sabi niyo po sir namin.
Sila yung naipag na tayo. Totoo na.
Okay, naiintindihan mo sinasabi ko? So, pabariate ka ng may compounding. Hindi siya compounding.
As co-variate po either age, mga ganun. Or
That probably affects the study. How long did they, kunyari, ilang araw nila ilang araw, what factors can affect? Probably, gaano katagal nilang ginamit yung courseware. Okay? O kaya pwede ang covariate mo, ang parang maka-apekto, isa-group mo siya versus ano? Wala namang covariate talaga dapat. Hindi ko lang.
Magulo na lang yung ano. Sige po.
Hindi ko ma-appreciate yung ang cover.
Next.
Wala naman kasi ako
Ano lang sila dyan na.
wala naman kasi ako nakikita ang epekto ng
Overthink lang.
So, again, kung gusto nyo dapat malaman kung may epekto yung IA at HE. Dapat pinagpalit nyo siya
INIC.
kalahati. During the first run, kalahati. Ito muna. Tapos the next phase, nagpalit sila. So from there, you can check kung naka-apekto talaga. Kasi naging variable na rin yung course. Nagkaroon ka ng 2x2 factorial design. 2 levels, 2 levels for each factor. Anyway, sige, tanggalin nyo na yun. Next, RT2.
So next po, since we also wanted to know how engaged they were during the process, nag-conduct din po kami ng independent samples t-test.
Paano nyo ma-measure yung engagement?
Yung sa ano po sir, meron po kaming instrument po na online student engagement.
Ulit.
Online student engagement scale po, OSE po na derived
Tanggalin mo.
from ano po,
Sa akin, lang ganun na.
Ano naman yung consider?
Tanggalin.
I-adapt nila.
Apo,
Kasi
yun.
kung doon na
Hindi,
Saan lang galing?
yung name.
tanggalin. Isang research, isang study, isang...
Study po sir.
Okay, sige, okay na yan. I'll just keep your word. So, validated. So, pinasurvey nyo.
In-adapt lang po namin.
Okay, yan. Pinasurvey nyo siya. Sino ang sinurvey nyo lahat ng gumamit?
Apo.
Paano nila nire-rate yung kanilang engagement? 1 to Likert scale?
Yes po. Sa Google Forms po.
Ano naman ba? Ano
So-
yung mean standard deviation? Yung naka-format kasi yan, kita na natin yung mean standard deviation.
Yung nangyari po, ano sir, mas mataas po yung engagement po ng traditional group po compared po dun sa ICT.
Ulit. Diba online engagement?
Okay.
So, paano nagkaroon ng online engagement ng traditional? Eh, hindi naman sila ng courseware. Correct me if I'm wrong. Di ba naka-online lang yung mga nagko-courseware? Pati yung nag-mobile? So, paano mo ngayon siya ikukumpara sa traditional? Considering face-to-face yun. Kaya pala, no? So technically, gusto mo na malaman ng minute standard deviation. Ano yung average online engagement? Okay? And you can correlate that online engagement. Kung gusto mong mag-dive deep, pwede mong ibangga yung online engagement versus performance.
Ayun po sir yung ginawa po namin na kasunod po. Yung sa Pearson R correlation po namin. Doon po naging significantly, ano naman po na may correlation po na higher engagement po ng students. Binangga po namin doon sa gain scores po nila from the pre-test and the
So,
post-test.
ano lumalabas? May relationship, syempre.
Opo sir.
Kasi parang ano na yun, mute and academic na yun.
Yes po
Kasi pag
sir.
wala, may problema. Dahil pagka meron, pagka wala, parang naglolokohan lang sila, hindi mo talaga binabasa. Di ba?
Bale, dun naman po sa result.
Pero meron pa isa kasing variable that we failed to consider. Since may dalawa kayong version, o mobile and
Desktop.
laptop, okay, may epekto ba yung device na ginamit? Kasi baka naman, nahihirapan yung mga nagmo-mobile, kaya ang baba nilang kanilang. So this will mean dapat walang significant difference so that we can conclude na it doesn't matter, mobile man. So yung app niyo, hindi naging factor yung kung anong device yung ginamit. Kasi minsan may mga app na ang hirap gamitin pag mobile, o kaya mas madaling gamitin pag mobile. Something like that. So, mahalaga yun sa multi-platform apps. You should check whether naka-apekto yung platform. So, I guess alamin naman kung sino yung nag-online, nag-app, tsaka hindi nag-app. Pag hindi, balikan nyo sila. Then compare whether there is significant difference. Gets?
Yes,
Because that is crucial. And that will be your basis for telling us that okay lang po to, it doesn't matter what device. Kasi pag lumalabas, mas okay yung mobile, sabihin niyo sa amin, pagka ginamit po yan, mas preferably mobile. Anong basis nyo? Kasi po, based on testing, yung mga nag-mobile, mas mataas yung game score. But technically, dapat hindi ganon. So, dapat i-revise niyo yung software niyo para magpantay. Yun yung magiging recommendation. In the event that that will be the result. Naintindihan ba?
Yes po.
Okay. May R2 ba ba?
Yes,
Parang
po,
ako yan.
sir.
Okay na?
Ano na kasi talagang simula pa lang.
Sige. Ano yung RQ3?
RQ3 po.
Kasi pala dapat i-revise ko talaga yung techniques yung methodology dito sa start mo. Kasi sa dami ng tinuro ko, hindi ko alam kung ano gagamitin nyo, no? Kawasan natin.
Ayun po. Yung, for our research question number 3, what is the overall performance of the software based on the ISO 250?
Performance na.
Yes po.
Pero ano na lang, ilagay na sa objectives. Kasi performance lang naman yan. So dapat may objective mo yan eh. May objective target kang performance.
Yes po. To
Kapag hindi
evaluate.
mo na-meet yun, develop ka pa. Kasi ang RQ kasi, knowledge na yan eh. So kahit anong makuha mo yan, yun na yun. Pag in-objective mo siya, pag hindi mo na-meet, magde-develop ka. Gets mo ibig sabihin? Kunyari, lumalabas yan, puro 3, 2, 2, 2. May target mo, 4. Kulang, improve mo pa. Pag na-meet mo na, saka ka magkakandak ng RQ1, RQ2. Gets? So, pagka mga performance metrics, dapat objective yan, hindi dapat research. Kasi ganito yun. Pag lumabas na mababa nakuha dyan, hindi pa naman naapektuhan yung RQ1 at RQ2. So, hindi na natin pang hahawakan yung RQ1 at RQ2. Kasi, lumalabas, mababa naman pala yung rating kasi ng software. So, ano pa bang kailangan natin malaman doon? Poor naman pala yung software eh. So, hindi na natin pwedeng panghawakan ng RQ1 at RQ2. Hindi na gets nyo lang.
Yes.
Siguro na naman. Kaya hindi kayo dapat naglalagay dyan ng something that you can test. Magalaw na ng RQ1, RQ2, tapos ilipat niya sa objectives. But just the same, I would like to know the result.
Apo sir, yung upon the result po of the ISO 25010, yung highest po sa kanya is yung portability niya and the security. And then high score din po siya sa usability niya. Yung sa usability po is over 20 po. And then the maintainability maximum score po is over 20.
That's... Ano pinaka-top?
Kaano po sir?
So pag pinasend mo siya, ano yan? Pinag-standard deviation ba yan?
Opo sir.
So dapat, para mas magaling tignan next time, dapat sa manuscript, i-disable nyo na yun. O kaya naka-bar graph or ang hirap kasi patignan sa text.
Sige po. Yung pinakamababa po niya sir is ano po? Compatibility. Compatibility.
Yeah, I mean, anong criteria ng evaluation? O kaya pinakamababa? Usability ba? Reliability ba? Portability ba? Di ba maraming category yung ISO 25010? Saan kayo pinakamababa at saan kayo pinakamataas?
Pinakamababa po yung sa compatibility, then the highest po yung portability.
Ayos yung portability.
Kasi
Bakit talaga yung mababa kayo sa compatibility? Eh, di ba nga gumamit naman sila ng mobile, gumamit din sila ng
Yung sa
Ang siguro na sabi. So yun ang mga tinatawag natin, dapat you have to verify. So you don't just believe what is the numbers. Sometimes, medyo diskumpiyado ako dito. So magsapasurvey ulit ako sa ibang grupo naman. Baka kasi hindi siniseryoso yung tanong. Kaya, okay? Kasi parang bakit yun? Portability niya tapos compatibility mo. Parang hindi naman nagmamatch yun. Di ba?
Yung next po nun is yung, For the conclusion and recommendations, the study concludes that the interactive ICT Essentials courseware developed via Kotobi offer is a superior instructional tool for enhancing learning outcomes compared to
yung superior kasi napakaano ng training.
effective na lang.
Perfect masyado.
Effective na lang.
So wala naman tayong measure ng superiority dito. Effectiveness yung ginagawa nila.
Is an effective instructional tool for enhancing learning outcomes compared to the traditional methods. While traditional classrooms currently foster higher social engagement, since dun nga po sa results is higher yung engagement nila. The courseware demonstrates a critical link, yan po yun sa correlation between the engagement and the academic gain or performance of the students, proving its effectiveness in cognitive mastery. Furthermore, its adherence to the ISO 25010 standards confirm its technical robustness and accessibility po in establishing the tool as a high-quality functional resource for the BTLED program at TUP.
Okay. Any other comments po, questions with respect to the data analysis?
Yung ano naman, di lang pang BTLED, di ba?
Oh. Meron din po yung automotive po na ICT Essentials.
Hindi naman ICT Essentials talaga description.
ICT based.
BTLED programs. Ano yun dyan? Para kasi BTLED. Para-pares namang merong exploratory course na ICT Essentials.
Tama naman doon sa Any other comments mo? Kasi kung wala na, we will already decide.
Wala sa ano? Sa negotiables po kami sa
non-negotiable sa prototype,
So mayroon pang pinapabago yung panel sa prototype na negotiable. Ano yun, Sir Arnold?
yun sir yun dapat figure out nyo how to transfer the ownership and the user. Diba kasi sa Kotobi daw, isang transfer of ownership saka transfer sa device. Okay, dapat ma-transfer siya sa ibang user email, yung papagawa natin, tapos yung ibang device naman kung saan gagamitin talaga. Tapos, yung user manual na gagawin nyo, include the QR code of the links para mas madali siyang ma-download yung mga APK nito.
Okay, noted po.
So in other words, the user manual is a non-negotiable component. We have to see that. And that should be, huwag na isama sa book bag kasi kakapal na siya. So separate isang copy or dalawang copy siguro. One for the Department of Industrial Education and one will be a copy provided to your advisor. Ako soft copy na lang po.
Or turnover kayo kasama.
Any other? Sir RJ? Wala. Karen. Okay, so
Tinignan ko na sila ng masama eh.
so with that, let's decide, Sir Arnold.
Sir, accepted with major lang naman yun.
Major lang.
Major. Minor pala yun.
Major lang.
Yung mga pinapabago
May
sa
lampagos na.
Minor lang.
Sir RJ?
dahil last na to sir, wala pang not acceptable. Hindi pa rin yun ibibigay na. Accepted po sir, with minor.
Karen.
Accepted mo,
Okay, so with that, the panel has spoken. We accept this work with minor revisions. You have until the first week of January to comply. And again, check the Google Classroom for my instructions on what to submit. Okay? And other important things. So with that ends your presentation. Thank you. Congratulations. You now proceed to the photo opportunity.
This is depende.
Yes.
Meron din? Kumarap na?
Sir, may bibigay lang po ano.
Bakit meron sa'yo?
Nakakapas please.
Ay, alam ko to. Hulaan ko. Hindi ito photo print. Hindi picture print.
Social friendly.
Hindi ito picture print.
Saan na daw?
Ay,
Sir, alam kung kanino yun.
Pwede na to, drawing to ni
Pwede po bubuksan.
Pwede pa buksan na
Ano mukha nga drawing to?
Exchange gift po. Hindi po kasi kami sure.
Akala ko po yung mga ibibigay niya sa akin.
Nabalot na po kasi ba?
Sir, nasama na sir. Sir,
Mamaya picture mo.
Sir, buksan mo.
O, pati.
Akala ko Pokemon, bibigay mo sa akin.
Mga po
Balik-baliktad.
Nagkabalik tayo.
Exchange na lang po sir. Magpapasko naman na po.
Sir, Ajay, ikaw to. Oo.
Ang pogi daw kasi.
Ang pogi eh.
Tada! Wala ko di pogi dito ah.
Sino yan?
Sir,
Baliktad.
Hindi naman. Patingin.
Sir, di ba yung nag-exchange gift?
Wala akong salaman eh.
Tapos naman ang ilong mo nito. Di naman ako na eh.
Hindi naman yung drawing yan.
Pero shell po.
Art po yun.
Ako yung ay, hindi na kuha yung kilay.
Hindi ko po tayo.
Mabuksan mo ma.
Sige po yung sa inyo ma'am.
Mapinagtitripan nila tayo, baguhin natin yung version.
Rejected.
This is not acceptable.
Kamali yan ba? Pero nga.
Okay na sana eh.
Bakit hindi ko? Parang hindi ko.
Thank you sa pera.
Sir, nakita namin favorite
Ang
mo po
effort
Hot
ko
Wheels.
sa
Ano? Sa 24 ko pa ito bubuksan. Ayoko.
Take it po yun
Picture
ma'am.
na, picture.
Dapat cup of joe. Ayaw ko sa cup of joe.
Pag yan, hindi yan kamukha. Pag
Yan ang pinagsasabi
Sir, dito ka din sir. Sabi ko. Sige po.
Wala kami maganda.
This is not acceptable. Not acceptable.
Order ko kasama pa. Ba't sa akin iba?
Ma'am, wala po yung mga pictures na mga
Kaninang fingerprints ko.
Ay, nagsabi ko yung sabi eh.
Visit ka, boss.
Pero mas ng ilong nito, tsaka mukha siyang matangkad, hindi ako.
Dali mo ba ako sa artwork niya?
Abot na lang natin.
Dali na lang sa table. Picture na daw.
Pakita mo.
Kayo muna kayo, tapos
Non-negotiable